Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Revision Exercises Part 5. This video presents some revision exercises to help consolidate the lessons we have presented on the last few slides. Now these are just some exercises here on the first slide, and if you read the questions carefully, and you can answer them at your leisure. If you like, you can just write the answers on a sheet of paper. I will leave this on for 10 or 15 seconds, and you can pause the video at any time you want for as long as you want. You're in complete control. Now this is the second slide, and I'll leave that on for another 10 or 15 seconds before I give you the answers at the end. And here is the third and final slide with some questions on it. And the next slide will be the beginning of the answers. Remember, you can pause the video at any time for as long as you want. And here is the first slide with the answers. Remember, pause the slide for as long as you want to double check the answers before I move on to the next slide. This is the second slide with the answers. I'll leave that on for a short while before I move on. And here is the last slide with the answers.